Tearing this thing apart. Not nice. Well, there's a huge culprit in a lot of MAKOs is that PVC pipe, which is the drain pipe from that forward well. And they ran the PVC pipe underneath there. And being in New England or any cold area in the wintertime, that pipe doesn't get all the water out of it. You can even see it almost flows up because they poured the foam around it. And you can see how it's twisted. And they crack, and over time, half the water makes it through to the bilge, the other half just seeps into the boat. Oh my God.
It's full of land. Water. See all the water in there?
Oh yeah.
Just running.
Oh my goodness.
You're having so.
You know? Boat building 101. This is how you don't build a boat.
As well, just pounding it out.